So what we doing?
I'm going to grab some rosemary. I want to make an infused oil.
Infused oil.
Yeah.
Where are you gonna find rosemary on top of a building downtown Los Angeles? You can actually grow stuff on top of buildings in an urban area.
Yeah, all you need is water, light, and love.
Shit.
And that's it. Oh, and good quality soil is very important. So I'm very grateful to have a building where they have rosemary and different herbs. So I'm just gonna snip some. Now on my balcony, I don't have any more rosemary, but I have sage, which I do cook with.
So the rosemary, like they plant rosemary here?
Well, it was just here with the building, so I was like, no one used it but me.
Wow. So they just randomly, they already had rosemary.
Well, yeah, when we first got it. Why is that baffling to you? Because buildings don't grow rosemary? I think more people should grow herbs.
Yeah, it's baffling to me because, yeah, it's just like, I mean, we're downtown, like, you know, you wouldn't expect that from a metropolitan area.
True, but I think more people are getting hip to that. So that's what makes it fun. I grow herbs on my balcony. A lot of people don't. They buy herbs from the store and they waste their money. So it's like a little packet of rosemary is probably like $4 or $5, right? If you can grow a rosemary bush, it will continue to keep growing and it will keep giving you more rosemary. So why would you continue to buy rosemary when you don't need to? Now you do the math. Would you want to keep spending $5 every bunch?
I mean, that's some logic there.
So look, see, these are all the herbs. You got lavender, right? Smells great. You can make a lavender oil with that.
There?
Come again?
Sure. Lavender.
Lavender, you got rosemary.
That's dope. That's actually dope that they have it here.
So what I'm gonna do is, clip it, and this is not hurting it, it's gonna grow. That's what we're gonna make our infused oil with.
Let me get a snippet of you there. Let me see one
strands. Oh, sorry.
Find one strand. Okay, let me see. There we go. You just snip that away. Okay. Smells good. Now I really smell it.
You smell it, right?
Yeah.
Now they have like rosemary essential oils, but we're gonna use this for cooking. Like when I roast veggies, I like to throw a sprig of this in there.
But just to give it some of that
aroma. Or like you know, like rosemary potatoes.
Oh yeah.
They're like, stop! You're stealing the rosemary. The rosemary thief.
How long does it take to grow back?
I don't know, man, but I can tell you this goes, the roots go all the way down here to the bottom. All right, here you go. I think this is good, man.
Let me see what you got.
It smells amazing.
Let's see, let me get you in focus here. Okay, nice. Got a nice handful of rosemary.
And then you know they make I forgot what it's called, like when they tie the strings around it. It's a certain name. It's gonna come to me. I'm forgetting right now. Whereas what people like sage the houses with, you can make that with rosemary,
really?
Sage, different herbs. Yeah, it's a certain bush. It's a certain name. I just can't remember right now. I'm drawing a blank.
So rosemary is part of sage or what?
Well, no. It's two different herbs. But
okay.
you can put it in the bush. You take like the string, you tie it around, and then you just burn the house with it. Like it gets rid of like witchcraft and stuff. I don't even know. I'm going to show you two different ways to make an infused rosemary oil. So the first way is we can take the rosemary and just stick it in an existing oil. So right now I have, this is a extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to pop this top off. And you just drop the rosemary in just like this. Right here, so you can. Now the cool things about these bottles is that these were old liquor bottles, and I believe this was a old tequila bottle. I don't like to waste anything, so I just peeled off the label, and now you can reuse it. So, let's get that guy in there. That's a good amount. And you can already smell the aroma, it's amazing. Get it all in there. Go, go, go. Okay. When you put the bartending spot on the top. So this will take about a few days to infuse. Another way I like to do is the stove method. So you pop the top, then you take your oil. So this is what I use to measure. Then just get a pan, dump it in. Then you heat that up. Then you drop the rosemary in. So this is gonna take about 5 minutes to heat up. So now, if you come close, this oil is very hot. And the way you test the oil, you just put a rosemary piece in. You see that that's ready, right? So right here you can turn the flame off. And you're gonna drop the rosemary in. And then here is where you just leave it and you let it cool down, and this will infuse. So you have two oils that are the same but made to. So now that the oil is rested and cooled off, I'm going to strain it and bottle it. I have this little contraption here, and this is what I'm going to use to strain the rosemary into my Pirate's jar. Steady hand. I'm not a lefty, but I'm doing good. Oh, little leak. Spoke too soon. Okay. So now, let's see if we can see the difference in the colors. Put some light. So this one is just as is. This one I heat it up a little bit and I infuse a different way. And that's how you make rosemary oil.